Hey, what's up, Jay? How you doing? Good. Hey guys. So you see the stains on these seats. We're gonna wet vacuum out, kind of shampoo them out. It's a 2018 Nissan Altima. It's pretty brand new. I don't even know how many miles are on the car, but we're gonna get the stains out of the seat using this Bissell vac, which I use on my Mustang every 3 months because I do a lot of athletics, so I sweat a little bit. So I'll clean my seat so it doesn't smell like gym balls inside. All right, let's get to it. Oh, and the front seat too. So we gonna be a mission. We had this car before. All right. See how the dirt is just coming out. Okay, we back. Didn't even get to finish the car. I did like front seat and the back seats, and I really gotta put more formula in there. So it did almost the whole car, depending on like the amount of dirt that's in these seats. So if your car is like not really dirty like that, so you wouldn't need to. You probably could do the whole car without having to fill up. And this is the dirt tank. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's really mucky. So, let's do this again. Make sure you have hot water. This water's still hot. It's 92 degrees outside, so it's not gonna get cold. See, if you have like a boost formula, like, because this comes with 2 different kind of formulas, and I'll show you guys it. I don't have that, I couldn't find it, so I just have this regular formula, so I just fill it up here. That's good. Pour the water. Oh, that was messy. And all the way to the water line. There we go. And we're just gonna do the last seat. All right. screenshots. It's a lot better. Still a little wet, but a complete contrast to what it was before. And typically when I do this, I live in Florida, so it gets really hot. You want to crack the windows down for maybe an hour and you have the AC running for about 30 minutes after. I usually have it set to the floor and to the air, so I can get the whole car cooled down to the touch, so it helps dry quicker. About 30 minutes, these will be good, because usually after this, within an hour or two, you can actually sit on these seats, especially since I put so much water onto them. But it's a lot better. So when you're done, this is my fill tank. You want to throw it away because the water's going to be cold. This is all the dirt. That's a slow way to do it, but you know it works. It looks like coffee. Alright, so you also want to clean out the hose every now and then. You want to clean out the hose, so you know you just detach it and you run water through it. Keep it clean. Alright. And you also want to clean this. Take it from me. If you don't, it's going to smell like ass. Cover up this hole real quick. Put some up in there. And if you want, just take a microfiber towel and just clean it out. Trust me, don't forget this part. And that's it. It usually comes with two, but this is what I use, and it says specifically formulated to use in portable deep cleaners. But if you get the box, one second. Well, it doesn't. It comes with two of these. It comes with a spine stain and this, or I think it's a spine stain and this together, and a boost. And a boost. Yeah, there you go. Pay attention to the camera, bro. We're gonna wrap this up. This is the Bissell Spot Clean ProHeat. There's a cordless one and there's one with a cord. The cordless one, I think it's like 168 or 188, and this I got for 148. I think it was on a discount or something. So again, it's been nice. Microfiber only. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Thank you.